Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to use game capture in OBS Studio. This is one of the best ways to record or stream games smoothly. So let's get started. First, open OBS on your PC. Now go to the bottom right and click on Settings. From here, go to the Hotkeys section. You can set a hotkey to start and stop recording or streaming. For example, you can set something like F10. This helps because you can start recording while inside your game without switching back to OBS. Now click Apply and then click OK. Next, go to the Scenes section at the bottom left. Click on the plus icon and create a new scene. You can name it Game and then click OK. Now go to Sources and click on the plus icon. Select Game Capture and click OK. Now you will see different modes. You can choose Capture Specific Window if you want to record a particular game, or you can choose Capture any full screen application to automatically capture games running in full screen. If you select Capture Specific Window, make sure your game is already open. Then go back to OBS and select your game from the window list. For example, if you are using Minecraft, select it from the list. Sometimes the screen may appear black if the game is minimized. Once you open the game again, it should appear in OBS. Now you can press your hotkey to start recording or streaming. If you use full screen capture mode, OBS will automatically detect your game when it runs in full screen. So this is how you can use game capture in OBS easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.